I have got this question many times. What is SSO? So SSO is nothing but single sign in. So not jumping into technicalities, like let's understand it with a practical example. Let's say you went to an amusement park, you paid the amusement park fees, and they give you a handband. Now with the help of that handband, you go to swimming pool, you show that, see, I am wearing your handband, and the swimming pool guy allows you to get in. You go to a ride, you show your handband and they allow you to get to a ride. You show your handband to a person at changing room or locker, they will give you a locker because you have that handband. So SSO basically gives you a kind of identifier that tells you that, okay, you are a legit user and you can perform so and so action. So let's say there is one user who wants to access app 1, app 2, app 3, app 4, or any application. So SSO has a kind of thing that is called IDP, identity provider, where user goes to application once and application one and tells me I want to log in. Application one will send to the identity provider who will provide his identity. It may be Google, it may be anything. Let's say I am doing login with Google, so Google will tell the application one that yes, this is a legit user, please allow him, and the app one will allow. So basically Google is also a kind of identity provider. So single sign on is a way where, like, you only did login once in Google, and then you were allowed to do anything you want. You only logged in once in Google, and now you don't need to remember your ID, password, and so many credentials for all different application. You can simply go, and you have done a single sign in. Basically you have done a sign in Google, and now you don't want to do any sign in further. You can just go and authenticate via Google. So this is SSO.